In this video, you'll learn how to organize fields on the item submission page. We'll group related fields together, rearrange their order, and build a clean and user-friendly editing form. In this series, we're building an events application with Gridbox Zero. Our application currently contains 8 fields, and they already fit nicely on the item submission page. However, a real estate directory can easily include 20 or even more fields. When fields are added over time, they may appear in a random order, making the submission form difficult to navigate and less convenient to use. Gridbox Zero provides powerful tools for organizing fields. You can group related fields together, change their order, and create a well-structured submission form that is much easier to work with. To enable the Item Submission Page editor, click the Settings icon. From the dialog, select Edit Submission Form and click Save. You can now rename the default group, create new groups, and rearrange fields using drag and drop. Let's start by renaming the default group. Open the group's context menu and select Edit. In the dialog window, enter a new group name and click Save. Now, let's create a new group. At the bottom of the page, click the Add icon. In the dialog window, enter Event Details as the group name and click Save. Let's create one more group and name it Event Location. Now, let's organize our fields. To move a field, drag it using the drag handle and drop it into the desired group. Move Event Date, Event Time, Event Type, and Ticket Price into the Event Details group. Then move Event Location and Select Location on Map into the Event Location group. You can also move entire groups. Simply drag a group by its header and place it wherever you want. This allows you to organize the submission form in the most logical order. To delete a group, open its context menu and select Delete. Keep in mind that a group can only be deleted if it does not contain any fields. Before deleting a group, move all of its fields into another group. Once the group is empty, it can be safely removed. One more important thing. Be sure to save the page after making your changes. Otherwise, your changes will not be saved. In Gridbox, you can move almost every field using drag and drop. The only exception is a text area field with the TinyMCE editor enabled. Due to technical limitations, fields with the TinyMCE editor cannot be moved using drag and drop. If you need to reposition one of these fields, simply open its settings and temporarily disable the TinyMCE editor. After moving the field to the desired position, enable the editor again. A well-organized submission form is just as important as a well-designed front end. By grouping related fields and arranging them in a logical order, you create a much better editing experience for administrators and content managers. As your content application grows, these organization tools become even more valuable, helping you keep complex forms clean, structured, and easy to use. Thank you for watching, and see you in the next tutorial.